Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about best AC repair service in Phoenix. Autumn air heating and cooling. Why choose this provider? Autumn air heating and cooling has been providing homes and business with air conducting related solution in Phoenix since 2003. It is family-owned business that offers central air conducting related repair, maintenance and installations including for ductless air conducting systems, thermostats and the smart thermostats. The business is an SRP certified contractor and all its technicians are NATE certified and qualified heat pump masters technicians. Autumn air heating and cooling offers maintenance plans and financing options. Magic Touch Mechanical offers energy efficient comfort service and homes and business in Phoenix via a air conducting related solution. It has been operating for over 20 years and offers a range of service including fireplaces, energy audits, insulation and air filtration. The company specializes in installations, repair, replacement and maintenance service including for AC units, furnaces and heat pumps. Magic Touch Mechanical works with brands such as Linux, VM, Bryant and Trane. Diamond AC and Heating. Diamond AC and Heating repairs and replace cooling and heating throughout the Phoenix metro area. They work with commercial and residential clients and back its service with a guarantee. The company will install, repair and maintain wide range of air conducting related equipment including AC units, heat pumps, burners and franchises. It also researches refrigerant and handles a list of seasonal tuned-up tasks to keep equipment working. They cater to numerous brands such as Daikin, Day and Night, and Amana. Diamond AC and Heating is the fastest growing air conducting company in Arizona, Phoenix.